Hey girls, what are you doing over there?
So we're cooking and we're making
Really hard because
a Jamaican style beef patty.
I was literally appetizing.
Who's over here at this center? Nisha, what are you doing over there?
Cutting onion. Right?
Oh my god, do you know how to use a knife?
You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut these off like
Yeah.
this.
That's
And then you'll
Gotta be very careful.
Yeah, it is.
But before you do that, you just want to rinse it off. So let me get you a strainer. That way you
That's
can see it.
onion. It's onion.
Ooh.
Okay, so this is a head of a garlic, and all we want to do, once you take all of this wrapping
Done.
off, you'll find it closed on the inside.
Okay.
And you know they're closed because it'll be like little separated sections.
Yeah.
And I'll give you,
Oh, sorry.
there you go. So once the shell is broken, then you can just peel it off easy.
That is.
And if it splits in half, that's fine.
I have questions. This one should be fine.
Okay, this is gonna be
Oh,
for
yeah.
you right
This
here.
is
That
nice.
way you have it. It is kind of sticky. And sometimes it
Do you have a sharper knife?
flat. And then you want to, okay, good. So you want to stand but on the side and pull out the top tray here. Just pull it out. Very good.
Can I put these in?
But you have to have mitts though. Okay, no. Lay it flat, don't use your body. And then just place it inside. Very good. Alright, so you want to go all the way and make
They're like stuff dripping.
yes.
It is cutting.
Oh.
When you think you're done, just take it off, put one more in.
Careful your hand doesn't get hurt.
What is that?
This is coconut oil.
Ooh.
So sometimes the
coconut oil.
consistency is kind of white, but it will melt. First thing you do, you're aware of what? Your body, right? Because you don't want to get hot. You don't want to get burnt.
side.
Good. You'll pull it out just as far as it can go. Very good. And you want to take both sides.
Set the other door. Carefully.
There you go. Very good.
Smash it.
Perfect. Now we right back on there.
I'm gonna smash
What is that you
it.
put in there, Danielle?
Ground allspice.
Very good.
Think that's nicely.
Maddie, what are you doing to all this stuff? Sauteing it? Maddie?
Just mixing it.
Teaspoon of salt.
Oh, can I put the cheese?
Maddie, why are you sauteing it?
So we're gonna do a half teaspoon of salt. But just
What are you trying to do?
sprinkle this in there. Yes, you're gonna go like this, point, right?
Yes, caramelize.
Do about 10. 10.
How many times?
10.
1, 2.
No, like this. Like this. 1, 2, like that.
Oh, okay. So sort of.
And continue to stir as she's doing that.
Oh, wait.
And then where is the time? Because I told you that to take everything off the bag. Okay, that's good. It's perfect. We'll close that lid back.
Don't burn yourself.
Very good. Get it all in there. We have coconut milk going in now.
What did you just put in there, Danielle?
Coconut milk.
Oh.
And then what you're going to do with this can, because we do recycle, is we're going to come over here and okay. So we'll leave that out by the chicken. We're probably going to use the rest of that. Now that's boiling, stir it a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh God, this rib is, okay, so that's 1. And then we're going to add 2. The second one.
I want to reduce some of the bubbling.
So that's 2. And then, so we don't need to really stir at this point. We just need to add the rest that we need to add in there. The dark kidney beans, drink.
What are you eating, Maddie? The beef patty?
Yeah.
Is it good?
These are very good.
Nisha, let's see, take a look. Look at how much she likes it. Flavor of Jamaica. Right? Oh, you dropped your crumbs. 20 minutes till the coconut rice is done. JP's favorite. So what do you guys have there?
I don't
Beef
know.
patties.
Jamaican beef
Bacon
patties.
beef patties.
Mhm.
Maybe appetizers.
To help you with the project. All right. Who brought them? You brought them to them?
Lemon juice into the bowl of water.
Both halves?
You just one at a time. Because you're gonna need your
I'm
muscle.
gonna do one.
You're gonna need your muscle. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
It's okay if seeds are coming.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's fine. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as much as you can. Don't cut all the way because you don't want it to
Yeah,
fall.
it's falling.
Yeah.
I got into 2 pieces.
That's okay. How we doing? Good?
I started off dicing a little bit the white.
And I'm kind of taking it.
I like that.
Okay, so after you just want to take the
I'm
fat off.
cutting more onions.
More onions.
Yes.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is probably, are you right hand or left? How you left this behind? That's excellent. And do this,
Mhm.
good, excellent. Push that aside and do the kidney beans since you guys are working at your stations. And I'm just stirring it in, and then I'm
Oh
about to
my
let this
God.
cook for about 5 more minutes, and then the rice will be done, and we'll move on to the curry chicken. You need 3 cloves this time, okay?
Getting all that fat off there, Danielle?
Yeah. It'll taste better, in my opinion. Ready?
Okay, so cut it in half and then cut it in half again. And also keep in mind, hold on. Also keep in mind the thickness because we want all this chicken to cook at the same time, right? So this little small part can be 1, but we want to make sure that we're cutting all of these equally.
The coconut rice is done. My favorite. Cannot wait to dig my face into that.
And you'll be responsible to put that in the pot. Good.
Sean, is there anything in this
Pour it in here. I'm gonna put it on medium heat.
You pour it till the spirit tells you to stop.
Yeah, basically. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's plenty. And so you're gonna put that in there. And remember, you're next, so grab your bowl of your onion. And yeah, take it all out, all the contents out.
onion kind of smells?
I'm putting it in the sink that's not with the raw chicken.
Here's in.
Can I stir some?
And we want to take all the
You should know.
you want to take all the contents out. Good. So this hasn't even started sizzling yet, right? So we don't even have to stir it, but we are going to add ingredients.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so what is that?
Basil.
Now, when you're pouring any ingredients, there's 2 types of ways that you can pour. What does it say? You can spoon it, or you can do what? Shake it in there. We want to shake it in there. And again, this is by sight because Jamaicans don't measure. We just eyeball it. Okay, see how these holes are kind of big? You're going to have to be very, very careful when you shake because you can shake too much. So just shake very lightly. Keep shaking until it comes out.
All
Okay,
around.
keep
not
going.
one spot.
Good. That's good. We're going to turn.
10. 10.
We're going to do 15 this time.
Okay.
And you're going to do big turn. Good. Big, big turn. The Himalayan pink salt.
Yes.
And we have the master stirring here.
How many?
We'll do 10. Now the reason why I'm saying less for salt because if it's too salty, exactly. You always can add more salt later on. Okay, so good. 4.
Oh, sure.
That's okay. Stir that in and let's see what that does. Because
Yeah,
that
it's
might be
probably
enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, that might be
I need-
enough.
Wait.
Now what
It's
brown?
Jamaican curry.
So how
Wait,
many
wait.
pieces?
Talk to JP and show him.
I'm using Jamaican curry powder.
Good job.
Okay.
And what are we gonna do? We're gonna sprinkle it in there, right?
Yeah, how many shakes?
Oh, you're gonna sprinkle a whole lot. Now this is the main ingredient, so we want a lot of this good tasting Jamaican curry.
Shake. Pat it. Pat it while you're doing it.
There you go. There you go. You want to get it in there.
Not too
Good
much
job.
of it.
Look at him and tell him what you have.
So we have some carrots.
I like carrots.
Like little baby.
Little baby carrots. They've already been cut up and prepped, so you have to do is just pour it out of the bag into the pot.
This is our
Little by
chicken.
little. Just shake a little bit in there.
Okay, I'm gonna do a special grip on here. You want me to help you with this one?
Yeah, spoon it in there. Help her spoon it inside, and make sure you don't. Okay, good.
Done.
Very good. Now it's gonna take someone strong, so you're gonna have to actually change. Put that. Oh.
This is 10 minutes later, right?
Yep, 10 minutes.
Remember, all the way down. You don't want to. Good. And see how you're only blowing on the spoon? You're not blowing in the pot? This is because you want to be sanitary. Only on the spoon. Now, you want to hold your hand out, one of your hands, and taste.
Ow, it's hot. Wait. That is hot.
Okay. How's it taste?
Good.
Okay.
Can I just take some from
Yes.
the plate? Yeah, I am. That's good.
JP's not. Okay, now stop. What you want? So we're just stretching this so we're creating some gravy. Excellent. That should be enough. Kind of like runny toothpaste.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna pour it in there. Don't let the water touch it. Okay, pour a little bit more. Oh, I mean, cover the entire spoon full of flour. Good. And pour that in there. And be careful.
Don't let the spoon. You can after, maybe.
You want to stir real good.
Can I stir some now?
Flour, right? We just put the flour in the water, and we have to stir as soon as possible, as soon as it hits it. Why? Because we don't want it to get clumpy. It will literally make little small dumplings. So as soon as she puts it in there, we're stirring. And you don't want to
See, like
splash,
that
you
one.
want to stir. So you don't want any white, and remember your bodies, right? You don't want to hit the pot.
Yummy.
We're setting the table.
Smell. So good. Look at that carrot. Stubborn.
You're doing good. Get nice little morsels of chicken and carrot.
Not the whole full sauce. Two whole balls every lunch, breakfast, and dinner, and snack.
All right.
And cut away, because you don't want to cut into the meat. So she did that.
Danielle, what do you want to say about the dish?
I was like,
Yeah, that's a natural taste.
5
I'm like, they take
stars.
direction.
5 stars.
I mean, the rice you can taste the coconut, which is the coconut milk and oil, which is really good. That's what you want. And then the carrots are just soft enough.
Oh, nice.
And then the chicken tastes amazing, and the gravy is just.
Nisha, what do you have to say?
And the dish I made is amazing. It's fun. It's 10 stars.
10 stars.
It's
10
25 stars.
Okay. Maddie,
100 stars. I love it.
what's your favorite part?
I mean, I like everything.
Everything, pretty much. Curtis?
This is awesome. I love curry chicken.
Okay. All right. Mary is yet to sample. There she is. She's busy. She's busy being helpful.
Oh my God.